Now, if you're new to the ATV game, which the 450 model is set up for those entry-level buyers, this is a great machine in that everything is easy to access when it comes time to maintaining your machine. Now, Polaris puts the air filter right here under the seat. All you have to do is pull up on the back, and then it unhooks from the front, and you can move this seat out of the way. Your air filter is right here. Nice and easy to get to. Where you do drive these machines typically in drier, dustier conditions, you do need to check your air filter rather regularly. We recommend here at Rexburg Motorsports to check your air filter after a really dusty ride or in between every other ride. It's nice and easy to get to, and it's easy to change. All you have to do is hit these 6 clamps. You can pull off this cover. There's your air filter. It's a paper filter. Polaris makes them nice and easy to clean. You can blow them out from the inside out to get the dirt out of them. Make sure not to blow a hole in them. And then they're nice and easy and cheap to replace too. If you are wanting to throw a new air filter in them, our parts departments keep those in stock, and so you can get those rather easy to throw a new air filter in this. Polaris also threw in an awesome thing for 2021 in that on the dash, you've got right here a battery tender hookup. So in the off season, or if you're really wanting to make sure your battery's at 100%, Polaris put this battery tender hookup right up here on the top, so it's nice and easy to access. Now, speaking of easy access, the battery is in a far better place for 2021. Now, in 2020, the battery was down in between the front wheels on the frame. It was rather hard to get to. So if you needed to change a battery, if you needed to get to it for any reason, it was pretty difficult. This year, it's in the front. All you have to do is unhook those 2 straps, open it up, battery's sitting right here. Nice and easy to get to, and that's a great place for a battery. It's high and up out of the way, so it's not going to be going through the mud when you're in the mud. It's not going through the puddles when you're driving through puddles. So this battery up here is going to stay nice and clean and out of the elements to make sure you're getting maximum battery life out of this battery. Now, when it comes to checking your oil on this machine, you've got a little entry window right here. And this right here, you can remove to get to your oil dipstick to make sure that you've got enough oil in this machine. Also to check your quality of oil. That stuff is getting black. You need to get her in here for an oil change here at Rexburg Motorsports. Polaris did a great job on these 450 Sportsmans for 2021. We are so excited about this new offering from Polaris, and we'd love to show you more about this machine. If you're interested in this machine, if you're interested in getting ATVs for this year, come and check out these 450 Sportsmans. Come on in here to Rexburg Motorsports. We'd love to answer your questions, get you to sit on one of these, get you out onto our demo track to see what they feel like, because these ATVs are a blast. I'd love to get you out playing on one of these Polarises, so come on here to Rexburg Motorsports. Thanks so much for watching these videos, and if you could, consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to keep you up to date with all the things that we've got coming on for 2021. But have a great day, and thanks again for watching.